Hello and welcome to another one of our review and unboxing videos. So we just picked this up. It's a little over £100. What's it called again? I can't remember what these things are called. Yeah, scroll saw, that's it. So this is made by Record Power, 16-inch variable speed scroll saw. Now there is a Draper version of this, and it's in blue, obviously for the Draper colours, and it literally is the same thing.
It's the same saw,
and it is about £40 more. So providing the quality's there, I don't see why you'd buy that.
It's the same saw.
So this is the SS16V. It accepts pin ends and plain end blades. Table tilts up to 45 degrees. Fully positionable work light. It's quite handy. It's got a dust blower. Safety clamp. It can take a wide range of blades. Smooth variable speed, so obviously you can twist that left and right. Cast iron base and dust extraction point for your vacuum. Apparently it's got a 5-year guarantee, and they've been making tools for 100 years record now. So this is going to be the unboxing, and
box undone.
We'll do like a natural bit running.
Instructions.
What do you get, like a blade in there or?
Nothing in there at the moment, just instructions. Okay. Right, threaded polystyrene. Okay.
It's well packed. That's the first thing I'd say about it.
Right, in there, got guard, plastic guard. We'll put that one in a little bit. Just get. It's quite handy. It's got little compartments in it. They put everything in here. There's some blades.
A couple of Allen key blades and some brackets as well.
Yeah, this one's attaching a blade. Forget what they call it. These are not pinned, accepts
pin end and plain end blades.
So that's the plain end. It's got nothing on. It's just the plain. And then pin ends are a bit like you know, hacksaw blades and that.
So as you can see, these are Draper, and they should fit this one as well.
So because it's the same machine.
Basically, yeah. As I was saying a few minutes ago, it's the same. Basically, the same thing.
Right. What else we got? Light. So let's see if it just right straight out.
Nothing else in that box, is there?
A bit of wood. Yes, that's to test it with. Just have it. We'll pull it out and then you'll know for future.
No, that is your lot.
Maybe put a fiver in there or anything.
We should be so lucky.
You probably see the dogs here. Yeah, you see this dog here and that one over there. Yeah. You would not believe they're twins, would you?
No, little and large.
But they are. Bella and Poppy. Should have been called Laurel and Hardy. Okay, quite heavy. Protective bag. I've never used one of these before at all. Right, it's just protecting everything.
So that's the vacuum extraction. So that fits on your normal vacuum. On and off variable speed, which you can twist like that. It's a very smooth operation. Plug. Strain relief on it, on this part anyway.
Right.
Plug is moulded, so that's obviously always a good sign for me.
Yeah, it is. Right. Now we would normally do our test with the leads.
The lengthwise, but unfortunately
we can't do it because
it's got some information on the side here about it. Wattage and 16. Max cut is 50mm,
which is quite a bit.
Fair bit of power on it.
The lead is quite long.
Yeah.
It's got to be 4 or 5 foot, so that's quite useful.
Yeah, and this is obviously your motor in here.
Motor.
Looks like it's in some sort of. What that is actually, it's a plastic case there.
Let's have a look. So it's got an angle there that you can tilt your table at. So if you want to cut things at an angle, then you just tighten that off.
What about round this other side? Let's go around this other side a minute.
That will need some air in there if you're going to use that.
Does it attach up to the top here like this? Like that. It might have some sort of diaphragm in there that sort of, as this is going, oh it does, look, as this is going up and down, there's like a diaphragm, and this will then push the air out.
That's literally doing that.
What's this here? Plain back setting hole. And this is obviously for something as well at the back.
What's that for then?
I'm not sure what that's for. It's doing something.
Is that?
Yeah, it's loosening something off. No idea.
Plain blade setting holder. Ah, right.
So this is the light.
Yeah.
It's got just a normal regular bulb in there. I'm guessing. Oh god, hang on, let's come off that. Does that push on and twist? Ah, we'll sort that out in a minute. Obviously, it goes on a certain way. It's got notches on it.
I must say,
that is on there fairly well now.
That's as quick as we've pulled something off. So, got guard.
Obviously, that's your car space. Something under there as well. And that thing there looks like it goes through this hole.
Right.
And that is very sharp, obviously. So
Blade. I don't know what blade is in it at the moment.
no, neither do I.
So that goes on there like that.
It's just like we're making this video, so if you're thinking about getting one of these,
Pull that off for a minute.
this is what you can expect in the box. As I say, there is a Draper version of this as well, and
it is. We looked at it.
It is the same
they
thing.
had
We
one on
literally
the
had it in
shelf,
the store next to each other.
so you can lift that up if you want.
Yeah.
Push that back on.
And you might have to tighten that nut up every now and then, mightn't you, just so it doesn't drop down by itself. But you'd have that on though, wouldn't you, if you were cutting, just for safety's sake. So
No, you might do.
that goes over the whole thing.
So it's done. Okay.
And you obviously you cut underneath, don't you?
Yeah, that's a
Is that a height adjustment?
clamp that, so when you're putting your stuff through, it just goes up and down.
So
Put it on like that.
The wheel is on the left.
Just tighten it up.
Just regular tightening and loosening with that. And you can put stuff underneath, and that's like a bit of balsa wood there, isn't it?
Yeah. As you can clamp stuff down, push it through.
So that's it at the moment.
Right. All we need now is a bit of power.
Yeah.
Which one are we going to plug it
I'm going
into?
to plug it into that socket over there.
Right.
Still don't know what this back thing for is here yet, but
we will
if we look at the instruction manual, it should say. But there's a blade already fitted, and it's on the blade. You can see it's got like a little notch there. That's what's holding it in by that. Don't know how easy the blades are to fit.
This is something to do with plain blade setting holder.
Plain blade setting holder.
And it looks like these
So they go in there and get stored.
go in there and you fix them up. Let's have a look.
Maybe it's you can set the right tension on it, and then you can put it in, something like that.
Right.
We're trying not to make this video too long, but
Right, so there's 2 or 3. There's our English one.
so you've got your German, your English, and French, or Spanish, whatever it is. Safety and guidance, yada yada. As you'll know from my videos, safety is key. 2 Allen keys, 1 blade, 2 blade converters, and a guard.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
I'm sure it will become apparent as we use it. Just trying to find what
Tells you which way's the
that's
right.
for.
And at the back, it's got some sort of like, you pull it out with one of those Allen keys. So those things in here, these things slot into these holes,
Yeah.
and you do something with it.
You can do quite intricate stuff with it.
Yeah.
Oh right, so it's showing you different blades you need for.
That's the whole schematic of the machine, in case I guess you need to replace something on it.
It's that we want to find out what it's for.
Yeah, what we should say.
Oh, here we go. Look, 8.4.
Before fitting the blade, ensure the tension is released by turning the blade tension knob anti-clockwise as shown in figure 8.4. So it's something to do with this, the blade tension.
So that releases.
So if you change it, if you turn it anti-clockwise, that's clockwise. That's
I'm
tightening it up.
Yeah, I'm tightening it back up.
And then if you should, yeah.
Right, so that'll do.
Okay, so that's what that does.
Right.
Right. So it's just a matter of turning it on, see if it runs.
So does the light come on?
It should come on when you turn it on, really. Come on yet. Turn on and off switch for that. Yeah, why doesn't the light work? You'd think that'd just come on. This is the bulb low. No, it's fine.
It's like a car bulb, actually.
Yeah, it's like a car bulb.
That sounds dark, but
anyway, yeah, we'll sort that light out in a minute, but
so this is a bit of wood that came with it. Never used one of these before.
guard down then.
So we've done
What if
first
you put
cut.
this guard down? Obviously you're supposed to have that down, aren't you, when you're doing bits?
Yeah, let's just do a
This,
straight
yeah.
cut.
The only thing we can't figure out at the moment, and this is obviously wood, little wood bits now it's falling down, is why the light doesn't work. Let's have a look a minute. Because this is brand new, right? So it should work. You don't twist it at the end here, do you? And that bulb in there, that's the filament is fine. How strange is that? Filament is intact.
So
It just doesn't come on, does it? You think it'd come on automatically when you turn the machine on?
yeah.
There's nothing at the front here, is there? I mean, obviously it's not overly complicated. It just drops down from the top there, straight down. You can see that with the, if you cover that. So, apart from the lamp, it works. There's no buttons on the side here. I might have thought was that where you press that in, but it's not. It's obviously just access. So that's cast iron. This is obviously.
The only thing I'd say about the guard, it does distort stuff when you're cutting it.
Does it?
No, so you can't quite see.
Oh, maybe you can have it like just like that then.
Yeah.
Just up a bit, raised like that. So that any fragments come off, it hits the guard and falls down. You don't need it right like that, just do it like that.
The light is a mystery.
Yeah, the light doesn't work. It's brand new, so which is a little bit annoying. It's not anything to do with that, is it? Some sort of brush for the motor, maybe.
There's probably some way of turning it on. We haven't found it yet. No little switch near anything. Storage compartment there.
Is that?
Yeah. Obviously for putting your blades in and things.
Oh right, that's quite handy. But apart from that, yeah, it doesn't. That's not buttons behind there anywhere. I'm not sure about that one. Bit of a mystery. Says, I mean, the light. That light should come on automatically when you turn the machine on. It's not like, you know.
Not on here, it doesn't turn on with that on, I think. Sometimes, yeah.
Thing is, the bulb's brand new, so.
Probably looks switch buried away.
.12-volt bulb, 10 watts. It must have a little transformer in it. I'm guessing it's this thing down here.
Is there a switch on it?
It's not. Is there a switch on the side of it? Is there a switch on the side of this anywhere? Doesn't look like it, does it? No. Right
It's
around this
on.
way. Yeah, it is a bit.
Nothing on the back here. Right.
Anyway, if we figure out why that isn't working, we'll add it to the video. But basically, that's the review. So hopefully, if you get
Seems
one, the
to
light
cut.
actually works. A bit disappointing, really, if I'm honest.
We'll work it out in a minute.
Yeah, maybe it's just something to do with this in here that it's not in enough.
Could be.
If you take that shield off and just undo the bulb and put it back in, is it just? Well, it looks all brand new in there. So, and the bulb's all right, isn't it? Let's have a look at the bulb. Well, yeah, filament's intact, so it should just work. And twist in. Just turn it on and see if it comes on again. No, so that's the only thing that's problematic with us at the moment.
This bulb doesn't work.
But apart from that, that's the review for it, and hopefully it helps you. Thanks for watching.